An enrollment and renewal drive for Ayushman Bharat PMJAY health card beneficiaries under the Singjamei Assembly constituency commenced today at the Maibam Chowthoi Singh Memorial Community Hall in Singjamei Thongam Lekai. Speaking on the sidelines of the event, Sarat Chandra Thokchom, convener of the BJP Manipur Pradesh Medical Cell, stated that the drive aims to register newly eligible individuals who were previously left out and to renew existing cards. He urged residents of Singjamei AC to take out full advantage of these health card benefits, reassuring the public that the drive will continue for up to 20 days if necessary to ensure every deserving individual is enrolled.
Ayushman Bharat ki card angawdaba hangriba anapairaga update tawdaba adagi akhoi senior citizen 70 plus ki leiriba anjingi card paidaba mayamdu ngasidagi enrollment tawba ngasidagi hongjabani aduga leptana KMBC ki hek noidri phawba mitani chambi ai kunni chambi ai continuously adi khata na health card se akhoi singjamei praja singi hallaga akhoi honorable chief minister akhoi chiri kemchana akhoi nitanaraga KMBC ki sabam thokpa thabe